To create a Splitwise account, start by going to the Splitwise website or downloading the Splitwise app from the App Store. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. Enter your name and email address in the required fields and choose a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. After filling out the registration form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email from Splitwise to confirm your email address. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can log in to your Splitwise account using your email address and password. After logging in, you will be asked to add your friends to Splitwise. You can add friends by their email address or by importing your contacts from Facebook or Google. You can also add friends manually by entering their names and email addresses. Once you have added your friends, you can start creating groups and adding expenses to Splitwise. To create a group, click on the Groups tab and then click on the New Group button. Enter a name for your group and add the friends who are part of the group. To add an expense, click on the Expenses tab and then click on the Add Expense button. Enter the details of the expense, including the date, description, and amount. You can also add a receipt or photo of the expense as proof. Splitwise will then calculate the share of each person in the group and send them a notification to pay their share. You can also use Splitwise to track your expenses and view a summary of your transactions. Splitwise also allows you to set reminders and send notifications to your friends to pay their share. By following these steps, you can create a Splitwise account and start managing your expenses with your friends. Splitwise is a convenient and easy-to-use platform that helps you to track your expenses and split bills with your friends.